back to Soy Creativa. Today let's see the recipe of super delicious McDonald's like Pizza Mcpuff. So let's get started. Firstly, to a bowl add 2 cups of maida, that is all-purpose flour, one 8 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 4 tablespoons of oil. Now combine these ingredients. Now gradually add some water and knead the dough. Our dough is ready. Now rest it for about 30 minutes. Till the dough rests, let's prepare the filling for our Mcpuffs. So in a kadhai, add 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 finely chopped garlic cloves and then saute them. Then add in 2 finely chopped onions and saute them. Now add 1 finely chopped carrot and half cup of boiled corn. Saute it. Add 1 finely chopped capsicum, 1 finely chopped tomato and saute it again. Then cover and cook these veggies for about 5 minutes. Now give it a mix. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of chili sauce, 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, sprinkle some chili flakes and some oregano. Give it a good mix. Now add 1 cheese slice. You can also use grated mozzarella or processed cheese instead. Now sprinkle 2 tablespoons of rice flour so that the filling doesn't become too juicy or watery. Give it a final mix and then turn off the flame and let it cool down. It's been 30 minutes. Now let's roll out the dough. Sprinkle some rice flour or maida on a clean surface and then gently roll out the dough slightly thick. Cut off the sides. Now cut it into rectangles as shown. Now add the filling in the rectangles and place the other rectangles on the top. Press and seal the sides very gently with your fingers. Now crimp the sides with a fork. In order to avoid bubbles while frying, refrigerate them for about 30 minutes before frying them, and now deep fry the pizza puffs in hot oil. To ensure super crispy pizza puffs, make sure to fry them on a low flame. Once they turn golden brown, drain off the excess oil and serve them. And our super delicious and crispy pizza Mcpuffs are ready. If you like this recipe, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Soy Creativa for more such wonderful recipes. Thank you.